In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can report a problem on TikTok. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to report a problem on TikTok, all you need to do is open up TikTok. Once you're on the home page of TikTok, hit your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see these three stripes at the top right. Click on those three stripes and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find Help Center right here. Okay, tap onto Help Center, and then what you can see here is it says Report a Problem. So tap on Report a Problem, and you want to read through this, but just scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you can see it says Need More Help. Click onto that, and now you can choose what you want help with. So for me, I'll choose, for an example, live, and then the TikTok support will start loading up, and then you can write something like I cannot go live. And then if you're not getting the response that you want from the actual AI, you can click here to write a message, and you can submit that to TikTok support, and they'll be able to help you out. Okay, so if this did help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.